My project has been financed by the European Commission through a European Sklodowska Curie fellowship. The name of the project is DeFacto, Design Automation for Smart Factories, and is in collaboration with the University of Southern California. In recent years, what we have called the Fourth Industrial Revolution changed the way in which the industrial systems are designed and are thought. In fact, we are embedding every day more devices like this into production plants. For this reason, the way that production systems were designed until a few years ago are no longer suited for the production system of the future. In fact, future production systems will incorporate every day more intelligence. Thus, we need to take care of these aspects when designing the manufacturing lines. For this reason, in the project we are developing new mathematical formalism, new methodologies, and new approaches to design the production lines of the future. In particular, machineries do not have to replace humans, but they have to collaborate with humans. For this reason, we have to always take care of guaranteeing requirements of safety and reliability in order to keep the operators in the line safe, and on the other hand, make lines every day more productive.